Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to log out on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to log out on Crunchyroll. Maybe because you have created another account so you just want to log out of it. Or maybe you're having some issues within your account so you just want to log out and log in again so that this issue could be fixed. Maybe you're changing your mobile phone, that's why you're logging out, you're going on a break, or maybe there's could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can log out on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed a Crunchyroll app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and also logged in with your account, because if you're not logged in, then you couldn't log out. So you have to keep that in mind. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the app to open it. Initially, the app will just take a while to load all of its content, and once it's done with it, you will be able to see its interface. This is how the app looks. Here you could see the icon of the app and some of the options at the top and at the bottom as well. And other than that, you could see different kind of anime shows and series on your home screen. So other than these, we have some of the other options at the bottom as well. Right now we have five options. If you look to the right option, we have our account. It also has a profile icon with a tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get into your account. First, you will read title of my account, and there you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, if you look down there, we have this option which says logout. You just have to simply tap onto this option and you will immediately get logged out of your account. It will not ask you for the second time, it will just log out and will take you to this login page. So here you don't have to worry that what will happen to your data, that if you will lose it or not, like whatever the shows you have liked, whatever the shows you have saved, or what will be your continuing watching, or if you have ever purchased any subscription, that if it get cancelled or whatever will happen to that. So don't worry, nothing will be lost, everything will be in your account. If you just want it back, just simply get onto this login page, click on login, enter your information like email address and password that you used when you created your account on it. Once you enter it, it will again take you back to your account and you will gain everything what was in your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can log out on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.